In this video, I am going to show you how to withdraw money from Gcash. Option number 1. Withdraw using Gcash MasterCard. For this, you need to follow these steps. Step number 1. Get your Gcash. Step number 1. Get your Gcash MasterCard. Get your card. Step number 2. Use at ATMs. Withdraw cash from any MasterCard accepted ATM. Step number 3. Enter your PIN. Use your Gcash card PIN. Step number 4. ATM fees. Note that ATM fees may apply. Make a good research related to that. Option number 2. Transfer to bank account. For this you need to follow these steps. Step number 1. Open the Gcash app. Go to the send money section. Step number 2. Choose send money to bank. Select your bank from the list. Step number 3. Enter details. Provide your account number and other necessary information. Step number 4. Confirm transfer. Double check the details and confirm the transaction. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.